What's the meaning of catch up? Catch up. Catch up.
Catch up. Catch up. The term catch-up refers to the process of trying to reach a level of development or progress that has already been achieved by others. It can apply to individuals, companies, or even nations who are trying to bridge the gap between themselves and those who are ahead of them in terms of economic growth, technological advancement, or other measures of success. The result of catch-up efforts can vary greatly, from successful advancements that result in rapid growth and prosperity to struggles that lead to further disparities and setbacks.